Welcome to a step-by-step guide on how to give a new look to your old, dull laterite walls, maintaining the natural elegance of laterite. Our journey begins with preparation. Watch as our skilled team gently sands the walls, ensuring a perfect base for the laterite coating. Next, every speck of dust is meticulously removed. First, with careful brushing, and then using air blowing for a spotless surface. Now, the transformation begins. The first coat on laterite is applied with precision. This layer is crucial as it sets the foundation for the aesthetic to come. Once the first layer sets, we apply the second coat. This not only enhances the color and gloss of finish but also